Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn off restricted mode for someone on Messenger. If you've restricted a person before and now want to connect with them again, I'll show you exactly how to remove those limits in just a few moments. First, open up the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once the app is ready, look toward the top of the screen for the menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and tap that, and then select the option for Settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the section called Privacy and Safety. This is where all of your controls for who can contact you and how you interact with others are located. Open it up, and from here you'll see an option titled Restricted Accounts. Tap on that choice, and it will bring up a list of everyone you've previously restricted on Messenger. Now simply look for the person you want to remove from that list. Once you locate their name, tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option to Unrestrict. Select that, and instantly, the restriction will be lifted. The person will no longer have limited access to your interactions, and your conversations with them will go back to normal. And that's it. Just a few taps in the app allow you to adjust your privacy settings and reconnect with people when you're ready. It's important to remember that restricting someone doesn't block them. It only limits their interactions with you temporarily, so you stay in control of how and when you communicate. When you choose to unrestrict, the change takes effect immediately, and they'll be able to message you and see your activity again, just like before. So now you know how to quickly turn off restricted mode on Messenger. Following these steps makes it simple to manage your account the way you want, whether that's creating space when you need it or opening the door again when the time feels right.